is Asia and I attend Clayton State University. I have a few things that I'd like to tell you about my first week of college. My first week of college was, well, when I first got here, moving day was really fun because, you get to have your own space, you have no adults living with you, and it's just you and your roommates. And when you move in, it's kind of, a little sad when your family leaves. Then also in the back of your mind, you're kind of just like, wait, I can't wait for them to leave. The first week of my classes were very standardized. It was kind of every class, the first day you get your syllabus. And college is different too than high school because you don't have, classes in a row. You may have one or two classes Monday, one class Tuesday, 3 or 4 classes Wednesday. It just depends on how your schedule is set up. And the times are different too. So my schedule is, pretty good for me because I don't really like waking up early for classes. So none of my classes start before 9 o'clock. So I don't have to get up until 9 and then go to class around 10 or 11. That's how it's a little different from high school too. You get syllabuses in every class, and that is how you keep up with your work. I think if you stay on top of your syllabus, you should have no problems because you know exactly how the rest of the year is planned out. So it should be kind of no question about it. Like, you could even do some stuff early. You could be ahead of the game and no one would even know. Advice I'd have for freshmen is try to familiarize yourself with your campus, because coming into a new place, it just looks and feels like a whole nother world, and it's so big. And I mean, I know some college campuses are huge, but they're not that big once you get to know where you're going. Better to feel comfortable, especially the first day. Because I would also say, an advice for with your roommates, you and your roommates are going to be living together for a very long time, for the rest of the year. And these are people you may or may not know. Some people know their roommates, but then some, people go in blindsided, and you're living with a bunch of strangers. But it's actually kind of fun. You should build a relationship with your roommates because these could be friends for like forever, for a lifetime. And my third point is college is fun. You get to find out who you are as a person. Part is you get your education, because when you're fresh out of high school, I mean, you really have nothing else to do but to go to further your education. When are you gonna have enough time? Like, when are you gonna have 4 years to set aside of your life just to learn? Hope to have a great rest of the year at Clayton State. Bye.